Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, I've decided something. So that was just the Diagnostic Cartridge from Retro Rewind, the 4-in-1 Diagnostic Cartridge. I had the 1541 stuff up there. I have decided something, and this is not too miraculous, I do not think, that any disk drive is more likely to work fine if it has a disk in it that it formatted. Because, here's the 1541 that I'm tinkering on. And it's all good. It seems to be working. It does. But also, it's reading and writing on a disk that it formatted. In other words, set out the tracks and sectors and stuff. So, we're going to look at what's on the directory of this disk. And I believe it to be blank. It is blank. So, in this other drive, we're going to open 15, 8, 15, quote, N 0, colon, and we'll call it Flippy Door. DK. Why? What the heck? And we'll send it away on its journey. We shall. And when this is done, dun dun dun, dun dun dun, then we'll unplug the drive, connect the drive, see if the disk works in here. We shall. But so far, this drive, except for this funny label thing that really, as I say it, really doesn't quite fit. Very strange. It seems to be fine. But then I thought, well, gee, it would be fine, even if it's misaligned. If it seems to be working and the disk is formatted on that drive, then it might seem to be fine, even if it isn't fine. So, we will format. We shall. We're not using the fast format, we're just going to use the fast format. It's a magical thing, it can be found in here as part of the 1541. Okay, so that is done. We'll now load the directory. We will now list the directory. Actually, maybe we'll list it here, because then we can see it change. Flippy Door. Okay, so we now have a Flippy Door disk. Oh, that's gonna mess with things. Okay, so now we unplug the cords after turning it off, and then we put this back on top. Let me find the power. Wow. Let me find the serial cable. And we turn it on. Oh, the door is open. And we take Flippy Door. load the directory. List. It's a flippy door. Yeah, let's try that. See, it's a very short. It came up just fine. Very strange, but you know, okay. So I think what I'm going to try here. This is a weird disk. That has more stuff on it, so yeah, solid as can be. This is a weird load thing. I think we do it that way. It's a weird thing. So, what we're looking for, of course, is the red light here to be nice and steady. Except, of course, if this has weird things going on, then, of course, weird things would happen. Very strange. For those who don't know what I'm saying, very strange, it's the front thing on this here says 1541. Seems to fit in quite fine, but it literally is just a little too long. Okay. So the drive doesn't seem too loud, doesn't seem too quiet. It seems to be doing its thing. I do believe if I'm really going to try and run this thing, I will need a joystick. But I don't remember. That was one of the things with the VIC-20. You never were plugged into the wrong joystick port. Anyway, I think I seem to be in the right one. So that was its great demo of the beginning of this program. Okay. Well, we'll pick Susie. I guess they did sell. It says data disk. I guess they sold other disks that went with this. Just think, whatever models they used way back when, they're now probably late 50s, early 60s. I wonder what became of them, where they went. So far, the drive seems to be just fine. And here we are. I don't think we're going to stay in this very long. Oh. That's 25. Raise is 5. Okay. Raise. 25. Oh, okay. Now, I believe that's right. I do this with the ones I want to be rid of. Drew 3. Oh, my word. That's 25. That's pretty fine. 2 pair. Doesn't beat full house. That went well. Oh my. Okay. That's 10. We're going to raise 25. Wager. Raise 25. Now, So I move the dot. Now, am I going to keep the other queen? What the heck? Yeah. So I have, oh my, this may not go well, but anyway. I have a feeling I lost this hand. What is that? I think they were bluffing because they had a pair. But this is what happens in strip poker. Although I have not played this much, but I don't think I've ever got two things in one hand. Ooh. Press the button to continue. Okay. I think I will stay. I will call. Oop, I've done well with the jacks. Anyway, we'll see. But this is not a hand worth. Oh my. Yes, it is. Oh, I wish I'd bet more. Raise 25. Okay. Raise 25. Raise 20. No! 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 I hit the wrong button. Ah! Wait, what happened here? Okay, maybe not. Maybe it did go. I meant to raise. Gotta be careful with these buttons. Okay. Something happened there. Watch what you're doing. I kind of wish it wasn't on the joystick. I stay. You know what? I'm going to bet like 5. Okay. Careful what you're doing. You do the joystick. You go up and down to pick what you want. Yeah. Not much here. Okay. I have quickly learned that if you have a bad hand, you just don't go through. That's 20. You know what? I'm just going to call. I'll keep the queen and the ace. And who knows? Ooh, 2 aces. Okay, she stays. I'm going to bet 25. Ooh, raise. 25. Call. A pair of 2s. Oh my. Now keep in mind, these are old scan things, and really, it doesn't look much different. Ah! I have nothing left to bet. Oh, well, it looks like this disk drive is working quite fine. So, I don't know how to get out of this. I'm trying to think of another. I seem to remember, and I don't think I have one around, a disc that was really great to test disk drives with Flight Simulator 2. I'll have to look around. Anyway, I'm not going to fight with success. It seems to be working. It seems to be fine. It seems to be dandy. It does. I think that's enough of that. So, I am thinking what I will do next, just because I can and I'm here and I shall, is put that disc over there, which actually, you know what? It shouldn't be there. This is a random blank disc. So it can go in the random blank disc box. And this one here, this is how we don't lose things. I think it was in here. I thought. But I don't see an envelope for it. Anyway, I'll stick it in there. And these, I'll put these away too. This is the diagnostics from Commodore, which of course I have modified. I have. Alright, I think the next thing I will do is say goodbye, and then we'll come back next time, and I'll look inside this drive, and I'll fill out a data card, and see what's what. So thanks for coming. I never intended this to be a successful strip poker adventure. But then, of course, that's life. You just never know. You just never know. Anyway, we'll see you again. Bye for now.